Hey, it's Madison with the Sensory Path. Let's install the Starfish Hop. Before starting, I made sure to sweep and mop the floors really well. A clean surface helps the image stick properly. I'll start by cutting apart the starfish. I decided to lay out my starfish in a fun way, but feel free to use the suggested layout guide we provide. To begin, remove the backing and place one side of the starfish onto the floor. Then, using a smooth wave-like motion with your squeegee, press the rest of the starfish into place. And that's it. Don't forget to check out our other videos.